were her mirror and her muse. You carry her eyes, her laughter, her unspoken courage. She taught you not just how to live, but how to love fiercely, be free, and stand unshaken even when the wind blows hardest. Though her physical form has returned to the stars, her spirit remains woven into your every fiber and every bone. You are her living legacy. You witness the fullness of her light, and now, even in this sober moment, you are the reason her want will always be remembered. In the words of Helen Keller, what we have once enjoyed deeply, we can never lose. All that we love deeply becomes a part of us. Right now, in your quiet corner, I see the tears. I know you still tear. But remember, your tears are sacred. They are love in motion. And within them also lives the joy of every memory and laughter in your heart, a gentle hand around you, the stories she told you, the strength she showed you, and the prayers she continues to whisper, even in her passing for you, when the walls feel heavy. Grief is not the absence of joy. It's the presence of it. The deeper the sorrow, the richer the love that came from it. Let her years not be measured by the time, but by the life she has left behind. This is your sacred invitation now, my woman, to carry her torch, to walk in her trail. She plays with dignity and compassion. Her song doesn't end just because she has passed. It changes melody, and then it asks you to sing the next verse. So lift your head, even gently. Smile through your tears, speak her name often, tell her stories, share her light, with joy and with an open heart. It is now your time to continue where she so gracefully paused, because she has discovered. May you walk forward with her legacy in your hands, and her love wrapped around your soul, and her prayers leading you onwards, ensuring that her light never ever fades. You are her light, and the whole world benefits. Yours truly, your daughter, Dora.
Thank you so much. That's inspiring and so deep. Please let's appreciate our support. I think that should be documented somewhere. Probably if there's another event that's either than this in preparation towards the burial, I think that should be documented. I think that's right. So that our mother can be listening to it and she will be involved. Let's see if I can remember. And finally, let's move over to the women. Please, let's welcome our mother, Mrs. Edith Veronica, our local national president, Joint Women People's Association of Nigeria. Please let's appreciate her.
from Chetachi. While I sat here, something is ringing in my head, and I said I must talk about this. I have to ask. When people are in grief, in pains, they shut it down. Please, I want all of us to take this home. When you're in pains, you put all your accounts down, you keep them, you fix them. But what kind of a mother, a grandmother, a woman in her pains, no matter how old our parents are, we don't want them to go. But what kind of woman in her pains brings out her fortune, her money, her time to say she wants to care for the less privileged? She wants to take care of health. She wants to do things that will touch the life of people instead of feeling that pain and looking for how to go expensive area, but looking for how to save more lives. Thank you so much.
Alright, so I don't know whether it's a question or it's a takeaway, right? What I'd like to phrase it is trying to say what actually inspired our mother. Instead of money and shutting down our accounts, opening up for the less privileged, what actually inspired her? I'm sure that through her speech, she was able to point out what inspired her, or what is inspiring her to do this. Yes. Right? So thank you very much. So number two. Okay.
I must commend you, man, for what you're doing. And it's
Everybody's just commenting.
Just came last week from our first remembrance. She was really like a child. It's something I want to meet you about. And my question here is, what significance do you think what you're doing has on healthcare? Considering the level of, or the status of the kind of healthcare delivery we have in Nigeria. You know, we don't have it so well. So what value do you think what you're doing now? I know you're doing it in memory of the mother, but aside the memory of the mother, what value do you think is adding to children's health and healthcare delivery generally in Nigeria? Let's say it's from Yes, it's very good. Carry it out. Thank you very much.
Social, economic, political, and spiritual. This is what the now we know that you can love your mother, and now we know you can love your father, now we know you can love your loved ones. Now we can mobilize them. She's not explaining to herself what's going on. But the question is so that we can, whatever was more focused now, we can add more. We can remember the next one. We can love the next one like what we said. It's not a goal of things, but now, when it becomes that message, and they are aware, think awareness. That's what we want. Someone is now very looking for that. So it's one of those that are, she said from 0 to 12 years old. And she was already at the hospital and we are Dr. Boxer. We are headed to Afghanistan. So I'm looking on that nationwide. I know it's kind of a like as a chairman, I'm saying that we have to look at the other side of the family. Very important here. So the family is cannot measure, cannot represent. This is very, very important. Because all of us here are going on this like a first thing outside the mind to love their mama and love themselves. And I appreciate the things that now she's been monitored from the real father street, which has been doing that for she's been supporting my she's been giving. And even in time of her needs, somebody says she still remember not to put in the diamonds or the jewelry or whatever, she still want to put it out there. So this is the remarkable part. And she is the very much the whole nation of Africa, of Nigeria, in particular, and all of us who do this now. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'll be very fast because our time is very limited. I would just want to ask, this is a foundation in existence already. Can you tell us a little more about what this foundation is and what the sustainability of this program that we have for infants? Thank you.
Okay, so okay, Benjamin, yes, to respond to that.
Thank you very much. I can say that I'm always taking the answer. Thank you for that question. The name of the foundation, first of all, is the Well-Being Foundation. Now, this Well-Being Foundation is an international foundation that has existed for over 4 decades now. And we have presence in over 51 countries in the world. And these 51 countries of the world, through the benevolence and humanitarian nature of our order, will be able to touch lives through the mission of mercy, the medical mission, the back to school, and the seed of life, which is for farmers. So now, the sustainability is for 4 decades, that's over 40 years. Every year, she invests so much of our personal resources, and this, when in need, have betted on other indigenous NGO that is known as Every Life Matters Humanitarian Foundation. Now, the Every Life Matters Humanitarian Foundation is meant to cater for the needs of the downtrodden and those in need in Nigeria here. And for 3 years now, the Every Life Matters Humanitarian Foundation have carried out mission of mercies and medical missions and seed of life in over 30 states in Nigeria plus the FCT. So I want you to know that it's a project that has existed long before some of us were born, and it's even going to outlive our mother, a humanitarian, and active for the world. Now, this is where you are talking about the continuity, sustainability of this particular event. This is not new. It's like a continuous act of charity from her. But this one is special because the Queen Mother herself, the Akure, my own mother, have decided that this is an opportunity to give back to the society in that is what this is all about. Thank you very much. Okay, for this particular event, we are looking at 2,000 children from 0 to 12. The announcers kept on saying the fathers of the idiots, which is our host, but the event proper will be done at the primary school, Chetachi Primary School, on the 5th of July, 10 a.m. prompt. The children will be gathered, the chief medical director is here, and other medical doctors and nurses and caregivers will be present that day to attend to all the participants. Thank you very much.
Just to add to what one has said, we are actually going to be addressing, as you say, implants, autoimmune, and we then to our question when she asked about the impact in the healthcare sector. This, a lot of the healthcare and the NGOs don't tend to address prenatal things. We focus on 0 to 5 years of age of the experience. But our others are titanic wealth and of knowledge and compassion, the respect and tribute to the legacy of our mother, taught it by us, take into cognizance, the brilliance as well. As regards the economic aspect of government, the government has now that a lot of mothers are able to rescue their children for parents and anything. And then our mother was told his wife to get you have to be part of this system. So I'm trying to point and standard of our great mother, what she was able to take out of her own immense self. The quality and standard of the material that we taking out of that are second to none. And as I rightly say, it's becoming virtually all healthcare concerns, not just malaria and because now we can cover the health concerns of these children.
to tell people this. As you are talking, everything I say here today, what I just want you to say to her as a prayer is ah. You know, if you shoot a gun, all you'll be hearing is ah, ah, ah. It is like that when you shoot at enemy now. I will let all will be bad. I said, all I need you to say is just to say ah. Now let's go together. I will let all the gun will be bad. It doesn't matter. Either you are a miss or sis. Why don't you go to the mass so that you can make your life better? Not because of our mother. And because of that, my enemy will start to attack. Or they conclude what they forget before you attack. Inside war, and if they are not ready to go attack from Malay to Kojo, all in the name that mass is behind you and they will follow you up to you. In Jesus' name, God bless you.
The media will talk to our mother and our Real Majesties here outside, and then we'll have a photograph outside too, please. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Okay, so let's have the photograph here. Let's have the photograph here. Yeah, in the background. Let's have the photograph.